Hey guys, it's Ben, Pro Se Coach here in Texas. I want to talk about something that a lot of you run into in your hearings and in your trials, and that's subpoenas. So, what do we use a subpoena for? Oftentimes, it is to bring a person and force them to come and testify for us. A lot of times, it is to get documents. So, let's say, you want your child's medical records. Most of the time, the doctor's office might ask you to subpoena them. And so, or you want a CPS worker to come testify, or just some person that doesn't want to do it. You can subpoena them. Now, you as pro se do not have subpoena power. All that means is that a lawyer can simply hammer out a real quick subpoena and fire it away and get it sent to the person or the place that they want the information, and they must comply. You don't have that ability, but all you have to do is you call your district clerk's office and ask, I need to subpoena someone, and they're going to have some sort of specific form to your court. Oftentimes it's on the website, so you might be able to go and find it. But anyway, they're going to point you to it, and you fill out your subpoena and say, I'm sending this to Officer Billy Jones from the San Antonio Police Department because I want him to come testify to a domestic violence incident. And then we get him served, and he has to come. And so the only way that somebody can not come is that they would then have to file a motion to strike the subpoena. We have to have a hearing, talk about why we need them, then judge rules, then whatever happens, happens. 95% of the time, people just comply with subpoenas. They don't want to go hire a lawyer and spend $5,000 to deal with it, so they just do it. But like official agencies, police, the CPS, et cetera, they're going to require a subpoena simply out of policy. So, that's the thing. And one thing to be aware of, a lot of times people say, well, I want to subpoena, the kid's therapist and have them come and talk, or the school teacher, or the doctor, or whatever the case may be. And so we do that. One thing to consider is that with professionals like this, they can bill you for the time. So you want the therapist to come and you subpoena her, and she comes, she's your witness, and she's going to hand you a bill for the time that's used. A lot of places that frequently have this, like particular court-appointed therapy offices, they have a set rate. And they'll say, I don't care if I'm there for 25 minutes, I'm billing you for 8 hours because I have to block out my whole day because I don't know how long any of this is going to last. So I lose the whole day. So you're going to pay my $200 an hour times, 8 hours. So that can be tough, but it's something to consider. But anyway, that's subpoenas, not complicated. Sounds complicated, but it's not. And so just start with your district clerk's office and start asking questions, and you'll figure it out. Again, my name is Ben. You can always find me at www.prosecoachtx.com. Thanks so much, guys.